Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to add integers. Let us look at an example. In this example, we're going to add two numbers, integer numbers, -10 plus +10, -10 and +10. So the way we want to solve this example is as follows. Step number 1. We're going to find the absolute value of -10. The absolute value of -10 is 10 units, and the absolute value of +10 is 10 units, and therefore in step number 2 we're going to subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value, 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, the value is going to be equal to 0. So therefore, that is our answer. So -10 plus 10, when we do the addition of those two integer numbers, the value is going to be equal to 0. So using a calculator, how do we arrive at the same answer using a calculator? Let us see. Let me show you the steps involved in here using a calculator. We're going to enter the number 10. So you're going to enter positive, negative, the button which you have on your calculator, positive, negative, and enter 10. This will be entered as -10 on your calculators, plus 10. Just enter 10 as is. That will, when you enter the values, the screen will display you a number equal to 0 of that nature. Let us look at another example. In this example, we're going to have more than two numbers to add. We want to add the following numbers. 42 plus -12 plus -30. In this type of situation, we're going to take two numbers at a time. Step number 1. We add the first two numbers. The first two numbers are 42 and -12. When we add -12 to 42, we can do it this way: 42 minus 12. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So therefore 42 plus -12 is equal to +30, and then we're going to add -32 to that number. So therefore in step number 2, when we add a number 30 with a number which is equal to that but opposite in sign, the value is going to be equal to 0. So that is the way we want to be able to simplify integer numbers using some of the rules which we talked about. In my next presentation, we shall see how to add some more integer numbers.